Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng sweet and sour pork. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Friendship, here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 1/2 cup na pork, meron tayo ditong 1/4 cup na soy sauce, 1/4 cup na flour, meron tayo ditong 1 tablespoon na garlic powder. Ka-friendship, kung wala kayong garlic powder, pwede kayong gumamit ng fresh na garlic. Meron tayo ditong 1/2 tablespoon na baking soda, isang itlog, 1/2 cup na cornstarch, konting water. And sa ating sauce, ito yung mga kailanganin natin. Meron tayo ditong 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup na ketchup, 1/2 cup na water, 3 tablespoons na cornstarch, meron tayo ditong 1/2 cup na white vinegar, 112 grams na pineapple chunks, meron tayo ditong 240 ml na pineapple juice, and of course, gagamit tayo ng cooking oil, salt, and pepper. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. What to do next ka-friendship is ima-marinate muna natin yung ating pork. So, ihalo-halo lang natin ang ating pork, ang ating soy sauce, ang ating cornstarch, ang ating flour, ang ating garlic powder, ang ating baking soda. Ang purpose ng baking soda ka-friendship ay para lumambot yung ating pork. Okay, and then yung ating itlog. Ayan. And then, dagdagan natin ng konting water. Ayan. And then, give a good mix ka-friendship. Halo lang nating mabuti para mag-incorporate lahat ang ating mga ingredients. Chef, well-combine na natin yung ating pork at saka yung ating pang-marinade. So, ima-marinate lang natin siya ng at least 30 minutes, but the best pa rin yung overnight na pagmamarinate. Okay, so balikan natin siya later ka-friendship. And bago ko makalimutan, lagyan natin or dagdagan natin ng ground black pepper. Ayan. Untik na siya makalimutan. So, ayan ka-friendship, balikan natin siya after 30 minutes. We're going to do next ka-friendship, sa isang kawali, maglalagay tayo ng generous amount of cooking oil. And make sure na mainit yung ating mantika ka-friendship. So, what we're going to do next is ipiprito natin yung ating marinated na pork. So, ayan ka-friendship. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship hanggang sa maluto yung ating pork. Balikan natin siya later. Ito na po yung ating napritong pork. What we're going to do next ka-friendship, sa isang kawali, ilagay natin yung ating water dahil gagawin tayo ng ating sauce. Ayan. Ang ating vinegar. Ang ating ketchup. Ayan. Ang ating pineapple juice. And then, idagdag na rin natin ang juice ng ating pineapple chunks. Ang ating brown sugar. At saka yung ating cornstarch. Dagdagan na rin natin ang konting asin. Saka pepper. And then give a good mix, ka-friendship. Pakuluin lang natin ang ating sauce. Friendship. So what we're going to do next is pwede na natin idagdag yung ating carrot at saka yung ating bell pepper na nakalimutan kong i-mention kanina. Isang pirasong carrot lang, ka-friendship, at saka 2 pirasong bell pepper. So ayan, simmer lang natin ng kaunti kasi mas masarap yung vegetable kapag kinain mo na meron pa siyang crunch. So simmer natin siya ng mga at least 2 minutes, ka-friendship. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating piniritong pork. Ayan. Halo lang natin, ka-friendship. And then, pwede na rin natin idagdag yung ating pineapple chunks. Ayan. So, ayan, ka-friendship, luto na yung ating sweet and sour pork. Ready for serving na siya. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating sweet and sour pork. Okay, so garnish lang natin siya ng spring onion. So ayan na po siya, ka-friendship. Okay, friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating sweet and sour pork for today. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tutamira at your service. Always remember, stay patient and trust your journey. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!